Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Google Meet for video calls whether on your phone or computer. First of all, open the Google Meet and sign into the account. After you have done that, use the Google account to sign in. Then to join a meeting, enter your meeting code. At the top you will see the code option here. Put the code provided by your teacher or professor and simply hit join. After that, to start a meeting at the bottom you will see the new option. Click on that. After here, you can start instantly. Create a shareable link. You can click on the create link and share the link to the student which you want to, or the people which you want to join the meeting, or schedule via Google Calendar for later. You can schedule the Google meeting from here as the Google Calendar. Now if you enter in the meeting controls, during the meeting you can mute/unmute your mic, turn video on or off, share a screen, chat or raise your hand, tap or hover the screen to see all the controls. To end the meeting when you are done, tap leave to exit the meeting. If you are the host, you can also end the meeting for everyone. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Meet like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.